The hardest thing to understand in the world is income tax. Especially in our country now, it is all the most confusing with the introduction of new tax regime. I don't think so. Let me make it very easy for you to understand and make the best of it by saving tax as well as growing your money too. Let us understand first the existing tax rate for working individual. If you are earning up to 2.5 lakh rupees per year, then zero tax rate for you. If you are earning from 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, then 5% tax rate. If you are earning from 5 lakh to 10 lakhs, then 20%. And if you are earning above 10 lakhs per year, then 30% tax rate for you. However, government has allowed tax exemptions on the following: HRA, House Rent Allowances. A salaried individual having a rented accommodation can get the benefit of HRA. This could be totally or partially exempted from income tax. However, if you are not living in rented accommodation and still continue to receive HRA, then it will be taxable. Standard deduction. Standard deduction of rupees 50,000 is exempted in the income tax, which also includes transport allowance and medical expenses. Leave travel allowances, LTA. The income tax law also provides for an LTA exemption for salaried individual. LTA only covers domestic travel, not an international travel. The mode of such travel must be railway, air travel, or public transport. You can claim 2 times in 4 consecutive years. For example, 2016 to 2020, you can claim tax exemption only for 2 years. If you have not claimed any year from previous 4 years, which means from 2012 to 2016, you have not claimed the LTA, then you can claim for all the 4 years from 2016 to 2020 as it gets added. Mobile reimbursement. A taxpayer may incur expenses on mobile and telephone used at residence. The income tax allows claiming a tax-free reimbursement of expenses incurred. Books and periodicals. Expenses reimbursed incurred on books, newspapers, periodicals, journals, and so on are tax-free. Food coupons. Employer may provide with meal coupons which is taxable as perquisite in the hands of employee. However, the tax is exempted on 2 meals each day up to rupees 50 per meal.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.